Hello, I am back from chemotherapy land, and I'm still alive, and my hair is still here, which is great, fabulous, and I feel great, and everyone's freaking out, right? And especially I think like if anybody should be freaking out, I would be freaking out because my immunity has been compromised because of chemotherapy. So I'm one of those people who have immune compromised, but I'm not freaking out because I have my oils, I have my supplements, and I feel good. Okay, I feel good. And obviously I'm being cautious around like how much interaction I have with people who are coughing and sneezing. All right, but today I'm gonna teach you about how to make your own DIY hand sanitizer. There's a couple of reasons. Number one, the company that I represent, doTERRA, they have actually sold out of their hand sanitizer. It's amazing, I love it, but we need alternatives at this point. Most people are using, that I see like a lot of people using Purell and other hand sanitizers like that. I'm not a fan because I don't like the alcoholic, like kind of smell. Also, Purell, if you look up according to the EWG, which is the Environmental Working Group, it actually has a fair rating. It's not very, very good. It's not very bad. It's kind of in the fair rating because it has fragrance inside of it. And fragrance is an endocrine disruptor. And it also has some low-grade toxicity. So this is something that is concern to me that I would not want to put it on my kids. The On Guard, what I'm going to be showing you, it's called On Guard, kills 99.9% of germs, and this is going to be the main ingredient in the DIY hand sanitizer that we're gonna be making. Okay, so let me tell you what your ingredients are going to be. So number one, you have aloe vera gel. I recommend getting just a big container of it. I have a small one here because I haven't gotten a big container yet, but I will be getting a big container. All right, the next ingredient that you're going to need is some vitamin E. Vitamin E is wonderful for the skin, and it's just wonderful. You're gonna need a little bottle. I recommend getting a glass. I always recommend putting essential oils in glass, but if all you have is a little squirt, plastic bottle, then go for it, use that. You're also gonna need some water. I have filtered my water. I don't drink water out of plastic, but I do have a water filter. So I just filtered the water and it's right here. Do you have to use filtered water? No, but I'm just gonna do that. Okay, so let's talk about storage, okay? So I recommend having a big glass jar so you can fill it all the way up with hand sanitizer. And then when you need it, you can just put the hand sanitizer in your pump because you're gonna go through it often. I know I go through it a lot. Just putting it on my kids, putting it on myself all day long, right? Today we were at a store, it was super busy, even touching the carts. I'm very vigilant. And so I've been using a lot. So you're gonna wanna make a lot at a time. That's why I recommend getting a lot of aloe vera. All right, so this is just a simple recipe. You can increase the percentage of product, right? So 5 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. So I love the name aloe vera gel because I'm in the name of it. So 5 tablespoons. Don't you love that sound? It's just like so cool. All right, so 5 tablespoons. Okay, 5 tablespoons of that. And then we're gonna do 1/4 of a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. So 1/4 of a teaspoon of that. And it actually is sometimes a little hard to get out of the, really good for skin, hair, and nails. That's why I do take a supplement as well. So this is really nice to put it into the hand sanitizer. Okay, then we have 4 tablespoons of water. Once again, it can be, it does not have to be filtered, but I filtered it, okay? Okay, and then the secret sauce, okay? The secret sauce is On Guard. So we're gonna do 8 to 10 drops of On Guard. just like that. I lather myself in On Guard, put on my tongue, put in your water, put in your tea. This is the best thing for immunity. I'm telling you guys, after going through chemotherapy, I'm not messing around. Not that I messed around before, but my immunity has to go back to being strong. I'm still teaching yoga, which people might think is insane. I'm actually teaching yoga tonight. I don't know how much I'm gonna be touching people, but so you just mix it together. And if you want a thicker consistency, you can totally put less water. But I like this consistency. I do. I like the consistency. So once again, that's like a very basic recipe. You can make more. I highly recommend making more because it's honestly not that much. And then I recommend putting it in a big jar. Okay. And then obviously you're also going to want a smaller jar to take with you on the road, wherever you're going. And then you just put it in like so. Get all that yummy hand sanitizer. And then of course you want to label your hand sanitizer so you know it's not like something else. And there you go. DIY hand sanitizer that kills 99.9% of germs. So why does it kill 99.9% of germs? Well, it's got clove, it's got cinnamon, it's got eucalyptus and cinnamon bark and wild orange. So those are all highly effective and immunity boosting oils, but then they also they fight viruses and they fight, things like that. So they can get all up in your immune system and help you. They actually penetrate your cell on the cellular level to attack any viruses or threats. So as far as germs and immunity boosting, it has both of that together, and it kills 99.9% of germs. And I'm sticking to that because that's what the company declares, and I'm going with that and their science. As far as the other products that doTERRA has, they currently have sold out on the hand sanitizer and the hand wash and the floss. But other products they still have that I highly recommend to boost your immunity just throughout the day: mouthwash. Okay? How cool is it to rinse your mouth off with something that is also going to boost your immunity? Like you can't get that with Listerine. So awesome. And you can't get that with necessarily like apple cider vinegar, which I have used before. Also, there's a cleaner concentrate, so you can actually clean your house and kill all those germs and not use something like Clorox or Lysol, which actually has a lot of toxins in it. And if you go online to the EWG Environmental Working Group and type in Clorox wipes, Clorox, Lysol, you're going to see DF ratings and how toxic this stuff is that can penetrate and infiltrate your body and disrupt your endocrine system, and also have toxic chemicals in your body that then can be cancer causing. So I'm obviously avoiding anything like that, and I have for many, many years. So very important to have a non-toxic cleaner, and then you can make your own. You can just add water and make your own floor cleaner. You can make your own dish soap. So this goes a long way, super long way. So that is the cleaner. And then there's also toothpaste, and I love it because my kids love it, and it doesn't have fluoride, and it does boost their immunity. So they're getting like another immunity boost. And then of course they have the little throat drops. There's a laundry detergent. So there's this whole like line of On Guard products. And if you're new to all this and you're like, oh my God, how do I start? Just send me a message and I'll help you get going to what is going to be best for you. As I said before, some of the products have sold out, but don't worry about that, because you can make your own hand sanitizer and make your own hand soap with the cleaner concentrate. Another tidbit, just a little bit of tidbit about how to boost your immunity: supplementation has been super important to me, especially being immune compromised. So I have a bone nutrient, which has been really fabulous for me. I have omega oils, and I also have a cellular blend. So that's helped boost my immunity and get me back up and running. I haven't had any sniffles or colds or anything like that. Even though my kids might have a little sniffly or cold, I feel great. I feel alive. I feel energized. And I'm ready to just I got this. We got this. We got this. Yes, we got this. So reach out to me if you want to get going with some of the stuff. And if you're already someone who uses these products, you of course have your own account. You can log in at any time and get 25% off of everything, super discounted. And try not to hoard, because that's what's happening. That's why we're running out of stuff, because people start being all crazy and hoarding. But don't hoard. Just get some stuff. Okay. All right. Take care. Thank you for watching. And I'm sending you big love. Bye.